Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I went by JJ Customs. I picked up a new car, and I picked up some more SpeedTek stuff, some goodies, just to oops, and RC hop-ups. I needed some body clips, so he sells body clips there. Get like 10 in the package or 12 in the package. Let's see, these are the big ones too. These are like the 1/8 scale. They're nice and thick, guys. Those ones are they're sturdy. They're not going to bend on you very easily. Okay, so start with that. SpeedTek. JJ Customs ships all this stuff out for free in the United States, and I believe it's $29.99 for worldwide, and it's one lump sum, guys. It's whatever you can fit in the box. It's all for $29.99. So if you order a bunch of this stuff, it's worth it for shipping, you know, worldwide. Yeah, so he's got 16 by 200 millimeter straps, Velcro straps, and then he's got the long ones too for like you know, for strapping them the long ways, or if you're going to put two 6S batteries in there, you know, 16 by 250. So that's nice. I just grabbed the blue ones, but he's got all sorts of different colors of these to put on your wheels for your M4 nuts, and they're the lock nuts. So, and I think he's got like 5 different colors on those. I'll put links for all this stuff in the descriptions below. I'm probably going to use those on my Slash because it's blue. And then all these nice washers to make your car look a little nicer. These are red flat M4 load spacers. So yeah, just for anything you want to use, you know, like a little decal for, you know. Same with these ones. These are M3, so these are nice small ones. So to make your car look a little cleaner, right? And then these are for 1/10 vehicles. These are what, 12 millimeter hexes. Those will be nice. Metal, in case, you know, some of them have plastic. You can put metal on there. Spacers for the crawlers. That's what I'm gonna use this for one of my crawlers. Just to get that little bit wider stance on it. I'm gonna see if this will work. For my I got them for my Sendero. I'm gonna try it on that and see if those work to widen the wheels out a little bit. And this for the ForTech. This for the ForTech and I'm sorry, not ForTech. A TRX4 or TRX6. These will fit. Comes with the pins. And this is also RC hop-ups. I did grab a little bit of everything here. So he also ships RC hop-ups too, stuff for in the United States for free, or that $29.99 worldwide. So you can mix all of these. Plus you can mix his new company that he sells for, flyhighrc. It's all drones. He's got 2 out right now. I did shoot a couple videos. Cool little drone, guys. It's a little fun thing to play with. I did just shoot a video of that flying in my garage a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can, how much I got of it, because I haven't checked it yet. But SpeedTek RC also has the 5 millimeter to 3.175 reducer for the spur gears. Pinion gears. I used one of these the other day on my Slash. I went mod 1 gears, so the only pinion I had was a 5 millimeter, so I had to use one of these. And I I went 1 millimeter on the spur gear and pinion, so I had to use those. Lipo bag. Gotta have yourself a lipo bag, guys. You I like to have it when I bring them in my car, and I leave them in my trunk or wherever, and I have to work, and that way after work I can go bash real quick because I don't have much time after work. So and I haven't been shooting the video. I've just been running them and playing with them. I need to start shooting more video for you guys, but yeah, but I like to keep them in a lipo bag in my car, that way just in case something happens, and hopefully it'll contain it a little better in my car, and it doesn't burn my car down. So and he's got some new bearings. SpeedTek came out with these new bearings I didn't see, so I grabbed one of each. I didn't really know what to do with them. I just thought they looked cool. I just grabbed them to show you guys, though. I didn't grab them to buy them. These are stainless steel hybrid. This is a 12 by 18 by 4 bearing, and they're supposed to spin way better than like your normal like your ready to run bearings. They're supposed to be twice as better, at least, if not better than that. Yeah, and this one's a 6 by 16 by 5 bearing. These were the only two that he had up there at the time. He says he will be getting more of these in to all the different sizes like this, and that way you can do a whole car. But these are ceramic, guys, ceramic bearings. This one is for the Arrma Limitless. Okay, so it's got all the bearings you need. It's got all 4 of those down here at the bottom for the wheels. Not sure what all those are for, but yeah, those are nice. And I have 2 ceramic bearings on my HPI Maverick that I put on my spool, and I just shot a video of that, which I'm in the process of editing, and it might even be on here before this one, so look for that one if you want to see. It gave me an extra mile per hour just putting 2 of these on my spool. Gave me 1 more mile per hour. I think I could have got 2 out of it, but my battery wasn't fully charged, but that's my fault for doing that. So yeah, guys, RC hop-ups, SpeedTek RC, check them out. Got some nice product. I haven't been happy with them since I've been using them. I haven't had any issues with anything. So and if you do, he's got a warranty on this stuff. I think it's like a 30-day money-back warranty. I believe that's what he told me. If you have issues, just contact him. He'll replace what you took. You know what I mean? So, or he'll bring it up and get it exchanged or whatever. Jason's pretty good at working with you at JJ Customs. So go check out his website. Go check out the product of these. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'm just trying to share some stuff with you guys, some new stuff, so you can try something new out and keep these little companies going and growing. So, all right. So you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can see more. And hopefully I'll be getting some run videos out for you guys soon. I know I got a HPI coming with the bearings, with the ceramic bearings on it. I've been working on my SEX24, and I got a bunch of parts for those too. I got a ton of parts for that. So I'll be doing another video on just RC hop-ups, SEX24 stuff that came in at JJ Customs. So thinking about doing just a build with just this stuff as much as I can with this product. So I'm supposed to have enough to almost do a whole car, minus electronics. So so we'll see with that. All right, guys. So like I said, thanks for watching. You guys all have a good day.